Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Ads to import leads from HubSpot. To begin authorizing Google Ads to import leads from HubSpot, first, log into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the Tools and Settings option in the upper right corner of the screen. Under the Measurement section, select Conversions. In the Conversions page, click on the plus button to create a new conversion action. Choose Import from the list of options provided. Select HubSpot from the list of available platforms to import leads from. Click the Continue button to proceed. Now, you will be prompted to link your HubSpot account. Log into your HubSpot account when prompted. Authorize Google Ads to access your HubSpot data by allowing permissions. You will see a confirmation message once the accounts are successfully linked. Return to the Google Ads interface, where you can customize the lead import settings. Set your preferences for which leads you want to import by defining key parameters. After configuring the settings, click on the Create and Continue button. Review the summary of your conversion action setup. If everything looks correct, click on the Done button to finalize the process. Now, your Google Ads account is authorized to import leads from HubSpot effectively. This integration will allow for streamlined tracking and optimization of your marketing efforts. Regularly check back to ensure your lead imports are functioning correctly. Make adjustments to your conversion settings as needed to improve performance. With everything set up, you can now focus on leveraging your lead data for better campaign results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.